after you signing into your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com. After that, on your info, specifically on your own name, you want to click on it and tap on Start, Revisit, or Review button. On this page, click on Continue button. Click on Continue button again until you reach about your household page, then on the Married option. Make sure to choose on the option called Plan to File Jointly. Later on, as you progress with your filing, including when you enter your income with a W-2 form, or 10-199 form, or other forms than that, your spouse income will also be asked by TurboTax together with you. And this way, when you filing your taxes to the IRS, you will be doing it as married person, together with your spouse. Then you may scroll down and hit the Continue button to save your progress, and continue your filing. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.